Hi friends, I'm Arnav's father. Meet him. Arnav is a special child. Right now he's going to do a complex mathematical calculation like multiplication of 9875 into 1 till 12. Just remember that he is a special child. He doesn't speak and he has never gone to any school. He doesn't have any formal education, but he will do this multiplication. And one more thing, whenever he will write the answer, he will write from left to right. So we have here his uncle who is holding a calculator. He will do each sequence. Once Arnav done 9875 into 2, so we will calculate it here to see whether the answer is right or not. So let's see how he is performing. Okay Arnav, let's start. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's start. Beta, start. 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 So as we all know, it's 9875 into 1. This is 19750. Now do it. One nine seven five zero. Okay, 3 he has already done. When your 3 is ready, you tell me. Into 3. See. Three nine five double zero. Oh yes. This is gone. You make 5. You do 5. He's doing 7 now. 49375. 49375. Perfect. So this is into 6. Okay. Yes, into 659250. You are doing 7. Right now he is doing 10. 7 is 69125.
Yes.
Oh yes, done. Then 8 you do. He is doing 11. He is even faster than calculator. 79,000. Yes, 79,000. Very nice. Very good, Arnav. Keep it up. Then next, 88875. Just show me beta. 88875. Then 10 is obviously 9875. 11. 9875 into 11. Show me. 108625. 108625. Very good. Then next, 9875 into 12. 118500. 118500. Very nice. Very good, Arnav. Say bye.
Bye.